here in Las Vegas for the Sema 2010 show, and we're here to look at what Audi and Stasis Engineering are up to.
So this is an iPhone application that we have developed for extending your Audi experience out of your vehicle. What it does, it allows you to log and record your driving and data from the vehicle along your route and in real time. And you can also monitor it in real time. For example, if you go here, what you see here is you can see your engine speed, miles per gallon. You can even log data about your lateral and longitudinal acceleration, average consumption, current consumption, throttle position, engine load, you name it. All the data that's available in the canvas of the vehicle. And right now we are logging. So this is a real-time log. We have this simulator here that simulates basically the canvas of the vehicle. And I can change here some parameters, and you see that it would basically give you an indication of what your miles per gallons are and stuff like that. So once you stop logging, then you can go to your history and look at all of the drives that you have been taking so far. They're recorded, all the data is in the iPhone, and because the iPhone has a GPS, all of this data is backtracked to your route. So if you click on a given route, let's say that one, unfortunately we're standing here, we're not moving, so it's just a dot. But you can see that the data is there, and it's let me see if I can find something more interesting to show you. Consumption, as I was playing, you can see that the data changes there, and you can click on any point of the data, and if you had a route here, which unfortunately you don't, you would see where was that consumption. So that really can tell you what was your consumption at different points of your route. So what you can do with this is, once you have these routes and these drives that you have taken, you can also upload them to an internet website. It's called myaudilabs.com, and it's very simple. You just click on the routes that you want to upload, and you just click upload, and it transfers them wirelessly to the internet, which is the second part of the demo. So here I am logged into myaudilabs.com. This is my account. So if you go into statistics, it shows you, in my case, my account, I have an Audi A4. It tells me how am I doing in average fuel efficiency with respect to all other A4s that are using the same system. So that way it's a good benchmark for you to know how well are you driving, how well are you using your car. And it also lets you see the data from all of the community. So basically this is it's a way of bringing you into an Audi community and sharing your information. Right now I'm actually doing not so bad. Another interesting aspect of this is that if you go to drives, you can monitor the drives that you have done, that you just uploaded. Let's say if I click on that route, number 7, you can give the routes a name so that they are more meaningful. Right now I just have the big numbers. So in this case, for example, it shows me my fuel consumption along the route. And if you click on the 3D route, and this is the part that I really like the most, the internet connection is not so fast. But here what you have is Google Map, the 3D version of Google, and this is your fuel consumption along the route. So you see if your consumption along this route was going up, and then probably you were hitting an intersection and you slowed down for whatever reason, just went down and so on, and along the whole route. And you can monitor not just the fuel consumption, but if you're kind of a sporty driver that care more about other things, or things other than the fuel consumption, you can go, for example, and monitor your acceleration, which is an excellent tool for sporty drivers to monitor how they've been doing, for example, along a track. Well, this is not a track, this is just an urban scenario, but you can see here, for example, my positive acceleration, negative acceleration, which is basically your throttling points and your braking points. So it's not just a tool for you to monitor consumption, it also allows you to engage other people and has this sort of competition in terms of who drives more efficient, but also it's a sport tool. You can use it to have fun with your car and as an audio driver.
Is there possibilities to monitor? Is there possibilities to monitor turbo boost pressure, oil temperature, any other parameters that are in the CAN bus?
So
can you read them?
In the application as we have it right now, no, we don't have that in this particular version of the application. It's a different interesting concept to bring it to our developers and see what we can do. But right now, to have a more complete demo, the things that we are monitoring are engine speed, vehicle speed, engine load, throttle position. Then you have another one for current consumption and average fuel consumption. And you have one for throttle position, accelerations basically. And that's all what we're monitoring right now. It doesn't mean that that's all we could be monitoring.
This is version 1.0.
This is the first version. It's fully developed right now, but it's not in the market. So this is something that
when will it come to the market?
Excellent question for our marketing department. We are evaluating it. Yeah. So we need to evaluate exactly how to bring it, but we're gauging what is consumers' reaction, what do you guys think about it, what the media thinks about it.
Very good. Jaime, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.